Okay, so I don't think I went live earlier and did a vlog on the morning session because I was um, just busy with the day job. But I did manage to keep an eye on what was happening in the market. So the market kept going down. It broke through the 925, stopped me out, which is fine. That was a little bit of an aggressive play on this zone, on this 30-minute zone right here, trying to front run it a little bit, and it just blasted right through that. This zone didn't work at all. The next zone was playing the 750, so the major quarter. That didn't really work either. Mark, the market decided to, yeah, just sliced right through that pretty much. Is that what I think that's what happened? Yeah. I can't even, this huge candle, like I got entered and stopped out within the same 15-minute candle. It was immediate. So it was just sliced me right up. I didn't even have time to, like, agonize over it. And then by stopping me out on that one, it picked up the backup order, which is usually like tends to be the higher percentage chance. But the thing that's working against me right now, even though it's just chopping around, is that the Fed announced today's a big news day. Lots of fundamental stuff coming in, and so it's right now, and I think it's coming either right now or very soon. I don't really have time to pay attention to all that kind of stuff. Not really that big on news days and all that. That's why I trade bigger moves than a typical scalper or day trader might do. Oh, looks like we got an announcement that was positive because now we're making highs. Okay, that's good. But from a technical perspective, there was evidence of a this is you can call this a triple bottom or even a double bottom on this. You could call this a 5 wick rejection. You could call it a bullish divergence. There's a lot of reasons that this area I felt pretty good about it, even though it was just chopping around. It didn't really scare me because of all the other confluence that was there, and also this is an area that was, well, this area right here, beautiful, was tested very nicely yesterday, and I mean, I don't that doesn't add evidence that it'll work again. Usually, once it's done, it's done. But it just goes to show you bigger picture. There is this is a nice area of support that came into play. Now, obviously this area broke, but the 500 gave you a beautiful hammer candle that shot it back up. I mean, I really feel like that was a missed opportunity there because the 500 plus that zone should have been a aggressive move there, either on the 500. But anyway, that's okay. Um, this move right now is, I think we got positive news because we saw it make a new high on the lower time frame. When you do news stuff, you gotta it's like very short term. So you got this bullish engulfing candle, like on the first 5 minute candle right at 2 p.m. It's a little bit choppy, a little bit volatile. The range of the candle is bigger than all the ones before it because the market was just trying to see what the announcement's going to be, and then it looks like we're going to close this candle as a bullish engulfing candle off of the first 5 minute. Yeah, yeah, a little bit. It's technically bullish engulfing. It's not obvious, but if I make it bigger, it is technically bullish engulfing, but just not by a lot. If we can break this new high right here, um, around the 842, then I think, well, I'm close to my profit target anyway. So at this point, since I'm more than halfway to profit, more than 50%, I should move this to break even. Okay, once I hit Once I'm halfway to target, I move the stop to break even instead of a 1-to-1. 1-to-1 is too early. Because, for example, this 1-to-1 would have hurt me here. Actually, both would have hurt me here. I'm lucky that I didn't really follow follow that before, because if I had done that, then I would have been stopped out for a break even. Um, Probably even down here. Yeah, would have been stopped out for a break even here and here. So with this upward momentum though, I'm more confident that this will decide to go up, because before there wasn't as much evidence that this wanted to move up higher. Really, if I wanted to be conservative um, about trailing the stop up, I would wait for it to break a new high. But since my profit target is here anyway, it's like, I don't know. It's just that's just personal preference on risk management and trade management. Uh, Usually, I wouldn't do anything. I would just not look at it and go about my day, and let this either hit or let the stop hit. Right. That's it. You know, I don't usually mess with the trades that much. It's just that right now, with the account being in such a fragile state, I can't. I have to be more careful. I have to be more selective about my shots and lock in smaller profits to just secure the fact that the account won't go down anymore. Although I already took I took two losses already today. I'm trying to prevent a third one. Is really what it comes down to. So hopefully this hits profit. If this hits profit, then it'll make up for the two losses that I took earlier, and it'll just be kind of like a wash of a day.